Yesterday, the price of the gold could not reach the target I mentioned, and that means 4188.33, because we can see the price yesterday created a bullish candle, a small one, with a wick on the upper side and the wick on the lower side, which means the fight between the buyers and the sellers. And we can see the price was stuck yesterday inside this range area between 4145.86 and the support 4105.86. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see how the price was jumping up and down, reaching higher price levels and the lower price levels. And we can see the price yesterday created this bullish breakout in the morning, reaching 4145.86, but could not manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. This attempt was 3 times. First one in the morning, again then in the afternoon, and then today in the morning the price was trying to reach higher price levels. But we can see this area of resistance is pretty strong one, and for the second time the price is returning back down to this area of support, which is a daily support. After the price has formed a bullish breakout 2 days ago, the price has reversed back down, testing the previous resistance. It is now acting as a support, and we can see for now the price is holding. For the first time the price is holding as a support, and now we will see will the price manage to stay above this area of support, or it will be a bearish breakout going further down, which means there is a 4079.67 a support level where the price could go after that. Let me move slightly this up, because this should be it is just okay. This is the support and also a demand zone around this area of support where the buyers are waiting still. Now, what will happen? Currently, it is not easy to predict where the price could go, because we can see a strong resistance for the 3 times. Now we have a support, which could be a second time touching the price, and this could mean that the price could stay inside this range area for a while. But we need to see also when the European session starts. That means in the next 2 or 3 hours we need to wait to see how the price will behave when there is more traders getting inside the market and will push the price in one of the directions. For now, I'm staying outside waiting for a clear breakout. Will it be above this area of resistance, which means bullish breakout targeting higher price levels, and that means 4188.33, or there will be a bearish breakout targeting 4079.54, which is the first support level below this, the daily support level. This is a daily support level, which means a pretty strong one, which will be not so easy to make a bearish breakout. So let's wait, go 1 hour by hour and see how the price behaves around this area of support. If there is any bullish or bearish breakout, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so feel free to check and join other traders. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.